best you've ever seen. The ginger and the garlic, the pepper as the heat. We whisk it all together to make this breakfast sweet. Two tomatoes are ready. We slice them into rings. We clear away the center, the perfect frame this brings. A light coat of the breadcrumb around the outer side. A pocket full of mixture, a secret we can't hide. The butter melts so smoothly. The pan is hot and bright. We place the ring tomatoes into the golden light. We pour the egg creation inside the waiting space. The heat begins to set it at a gentle, steady pace. The moment has arrived. We flip the ring so softly. The golden sides revive. The pan is full of sizzle. The cooking is so keen. The best dressed omelet ever. The greatest that we've seen. A snowy final mound. We cover up the pan now until the melts abound. It flows down to the edges, a gooey, savory stream. The finished perfect rings now, fulfilling a food dream. We plate the golden goodness. The textures feel so right. This omelet tomato ring is beautiful and bright. From gloved and garnished kitchen, the simple fun creation, the unique breakfast wonder deserves a celebration. Carrots and the green, the spring onions waiting, the best you've ever seen. The ginger and the garlic,